Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to install the SatoWallet app, either PC or Play Store or App Store. Then first we're going to have to visit the SatoWallet website at satowallet.com right here, and here are the apps. So if you want to download the one on App Store, you just go to App Store or Play Store and download the Android one, and the PC one, you just click this button and the website, then you'll be able to download it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to install how to log in or register an account, and then how to send and receive bin cash. Okay, so here's the app. If you don't have an account already, you just click this sign up or click register here. You type in your name, your email address, password, and referral email, then click sign up to sign up. And if you already have an account, you just click this login and type in your account like I'm doing right now. Just an example. Let yahoo.com and password, and then log in. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to log in. Okay, good. Okay, now we're gonna use bin cash, and this is the default fiat currency on the app is USD, and we're going to use bin cash. Here are the list of coins available on the app. It's a long list, and we're going to use bin cash right now. So here is bin cash. Here is bin cash, and there is an easy way to actually find a coin. You can just type in the name of the coin in this search bar. Okay, bin cash. Go to bin cash. Well, this is my bin cash balance, and this is the equivalent balance of this bin cash in USD. So if you want to send bin cash to a friend, you just click send, type in the address, the amount you would like to send, and if you want to reduce the amount, you just click here, and if you want to add, you just click here, and the amount is showing in USD, and here is the fee deducted. It also shows in USD, and you can add a transactions comment, say hey for example, and then click transfer, then your transfer will begin. And if you want to receive, then you just go to receive. The person you're receiving the coin from will have to scan this barcode or make use of this address to send you the coin. Well, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So we're gonna go to currency. I'm gonna show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. So let's see how it works. Okay, right now I'm using USD, so we're gonna use another coin, and it's a long list of coins, so you can choose anyone. So let's go with this. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to change as well. Good, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins to see what happened. Okay, before it was showing USD, and now it's showing CLP as my currency because I changed my fiat currency from USD to CLP. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.